Oh, what's that? Just a regular one day.
Parks nice, huh? It's old. It's an unbelievable it's the environment, the way it is in the middle of the freaking city, the middle of the town.
Right now.
What tickets are there? That's not that long. It's a day game, like, I can sit on top of this building.
Yeah, man, people sit on top of that. They have those boxes called,
Yeah. I feel comfortable with it.